right, go ahead.
And their mouth, and this is a female. That's why his belly's so big, because it's a female. And some people say when they lean like this, that means them are broken, but them actually are not, because them can bend up to their gills, and these are their angle fans. Huh? Put it back. Why? I'm trying to talk about these.
Alright guys, this is Bubbles, my pet catfish, and she outgrew her aquarium, so we're gonna put her in her new home. See ya, Bubbles. Oh my god. Ah!